Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that's, is Spocket free or paid? I'm going to start by giving you a quick overview of what Spocket is and how it can be used to help you grow your business. Then, I'll get into the nitty-gritty of the pricing and answer the question of whether or not Spocket is free. So, let's get started. What is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other companies without having to hold any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an online business or to expand your existing product offerings. With Spocket, you can browse through a wide variety of products from different suppliers and add them to your store. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier and ship the product directly to your customer. How can Spocket help you grow your business? There are a number of ways that Spocket can help you grow your business. Here are a few of the most important benefits. Save time and money. With Spocket, you don't have to worry about sourcing products, storing inventory, or shipping orders. This can save you a lot of time and money. Increase your product selection. Spocket gives you access to a wide variety of products from different suppliers. This allows you to offer your customers more choices and increase your sales. Improve your customer satisfaction. With Spocket, you can offer fast shipping and excellent customer service. This will help you build trust with your customers and increase your repeat business. Is Spocket free? No, Spocket is not free. There are two different pricing plans available: Basic and Pro. The Basic plan costs $29 per month and gives you access to all of the basic features of Spocket. The Pro plan costs $99 per month and gives you access to all of the features of Spocket, including priority customer support, advanced product filtering, custom branding, and more. Which plan is right for you? The best plan for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. If you're just starting out, the Basic plan may be a good option. However, if you're looking for more features and advanced functionality, the Pro plan may be a better choice. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, there are also some additional costs associated with using Spocket. These costs include product costs. The cost of the products that you sell will vary depending on the supplier and the product. Shipping costs. The cost of shipping products to your customers will vary depending on the shipping carrier and the destination. Transaction fees. Some payment processors charge transaction fees when you process credit card payments. So, is Spocket worth it? Whether or not Spocket is worth it for you will depend on your individual circumstances. However, if you're looking for a way to grow your business and offer your customers a wider selection of products, Spocket can be a great option. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, is Spocket free or paid? If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.